Welcome back. The SOPO tangle is getting more and more complex at Ponda Market. Municipal officer has lodged a complaint against 5 vendors for obstructing him from discharging his official duties. Ponda police has registered a complaint in this regard. Ponda PI CL Patel has said that action will be initiated against the accused vendors. Earlier on Saturday, MLA Lava Mamledar had demanded for vigilance probe in the alleged SOPO scam.
महादेव नाईक हो जो म्युनिसिपल इन्स्पेक्टर आसा त्यांनी एक कंप्लेंट लॉज केली की ते जेन्ना सोपो कलेक्शन करपाक गेले एज पर न्यू ऑर्डर तेन्ना तेका काही लोकांनी जफर प्रवीण विष्णुदास आनी काही लोकांनी तेका अपोज केलो आनी तेका ऑब्स्ट्रक्ट केले. त्या लोकांच्या अगेन्स्ट केस 341, 353, 334 IPC प्रमाणे रजिस्टर केली आसा.
कितें एक्शन जावपाचें आहा आमी सांजेर आतां
एक्शन घेतले आमी.
सोपो करावयल्यान फोंड्यान प्रचंड वादळ उठला की आमदार बाबडो एक कडेन आनी दुसरे आमचे हे आसात म्युनिसिपालिटी आसा कावन्सील आसा ते एक कडेन दोगूय एकमेकाचेर आरोप प्रत्यारोप करतात. मदीं हातून मागीर सीएमाकूय ओडलें वता की सीएमूय हातून आसा काय ना अशें एक संभ्रम सगळो ओगीच निर्माण जाला. ह्या प्रकरणाचो सोक्षमोक्ष लागू जाय. म्हाका तरी अशें दिसता की जर अर्बन डेव्हलपमेंट मिनिस्ट्रीन कांय मार्गदर्शक तत्वां सोपो कर फिक्स करपा खातीर घातली जाल्यार हो प्रश्न कायमचो मिटूं शकता.
हे सोप्याचेर फोंडेच्या सोप्याचेर आयकूंक येता की बेसिकली एक गुंडागिरी करून सोपो रिकवर करप. मडगांवांनी सोपो तसो बरो हाय रेटीक गेल्लो आहा. म्हाका दिसता इट इज अ मॅटर ऑफ टायम वेन ती गुंडागिरी विल गेट ट्रान्सफर्ड हियर.
की व्हेंडिंग कमिटी करपा जाय आनी ह्यो व्हेंडिंग कमिटी करता आसतना 40% ऑफ द मेंबर शूड बी फ्रॉम मार्केट आनी तेय बी त्या मार्केटवाल्यांनी इलेक्ट करून दिवप. हांगा फोंड्यान एक वेंडिंग कमिटी जाल्या पूण तेतून मार्केटवाल्यांनी इलेक्ट करून दिल्ली ना. मनमानी कारभार हो चल्लेलो आसा.
The High Court has hinted that petition seeking direction to convene a meeting of the Board of Directors on no confidence motion against the Chairman of State Cooperative Bank is not maintainable. Advocate General informed the High Court that Goa State Cooperative Bank is a multi-state cooperative bank and the related act does not permit no confidence motion against the chairman. The High Court had asked the petitioner whether he wants to withdraw the petition.
During the hearing before the High Court on Tuesday, Advocate General Atmaram Nadkarni informed the court that Goa State Cooperative Bank has its branches in Daman and Diu. Hence, it is a multi-state cooperative bank. According to Multi-State Cooperative Societies Act, there is a provision for no confidence motion against the chairman. On AG's statement, the High Court gave 1 week time to the petitioner to decide whether he wants to withdraw petition. But till then, the court has continued its interim order, barring the respondent directors from taking any financial and policy-making decision till further order. The High Court will hear this matter on 19th August. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.